Simple instructions for building a fairy portal. Gather your friends, go into the woods, and collect as much grapevine and large, curved, flexible branches as you can and bring them together. Decide on the best spot for this portal and then start building your initial circle. It does take several hands to put this together, and we also used binder twine to attach the initial pieces and a 6-foot ladder in the center to support the weight in the center. Eventually, we didn't need the ladder anymore and we didn't need the twine. As it started to stand on its own, we could weave the rest of our pieces of wood together until it was complete. We topped it off with some rhododendron for some color, and it's all done. Enjoy!